clothes for the invisible one.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, where should I hide? I know where. What about me?
4, 5, ready or not, here I come. Whoa, where are you? I give up. How come I didn't notice you over there?
Because they have what is called camouflage. A zebra is stripy like a fence, and a butterfly looks like a bright flower.
Camouflage? What's that for?
To defend themselves from those who want to try and catch them, or in order to sneak up on someone without being spotted.
Well, I'd like some of this camouflage too.
Then you can be a little gray hare. And in the winter, when the snow falls, the hare will change its fur coat from a gray one to white.
Is there a way that I can change my clothes more than just twice a year?
Well, you could be a chameleon. Then you would be able to change your colors several times a day.
Now I'm number 1.
And I'm super beautiful. And I'm a zebra. I look like a piano, a beautiful thing that's black and white.
Kittens.
Hello.
Hello there.
Meow. Why did you just say meow? I'm being a little kitten. And kittens always say meow.
And do kittens do anything else?
I'm not sure. Oh, I know. Kittens love to play. Meow.
Do you know if kittens can fly too?
Fly? Let me check.
No. You're so silly. Kittens can't fly. Kittens cannot fly, but they can climb up tall trees. And they're also pretty good at climbing down curtains, too.
I want to try. It looks like fun. Are there any cats that are bigger?
Of course. Tigers are big cats. Very, very big cats. And so are lions.
What about me? I want to be a type of kitten too. What is this? What are all these spots?
You're a leopard.
Leopards are super beautiful.
Cats are domesticated, meaning they live in people's homes. But leopards and lions are wild and live in the jungle.
But do we still get to go meow?
Not quite. You get to roar like this. Roar.
Roar! Meow, meow! I like playing kittens.
Roar!
Roar! Meow, meow!
How many legs?
Hi there. Why are you standing on one leg like that?
Because I'm being a heron.
Are herons supposed to stand on one leg? It's more comfortable to stand on 2 legs.
It's even more comfortable to stand on 4 legs. I wonder who has 4 legs.
There are many animals who have 4 legs. A cat, and a mouse, and a crocodile, and a raccoon.
Can an animal have even more legs?
Yes, of course. They can have 6 legs like beetles, grasshoppers, and bees. These animals are creatures called insects.
Oh, I want to have 8 legs. I want 8 legs too.
Then you can be an octopus. Octopi and spiders are 8-legged animals.
anyone. I want to be Mega Leg.
Okay, then. How would you like to be a centipede? Would you like that?
A centipede? Wow, 40 legs. I have the most legs now.
Is it possible to move around without any legs?
Yes, it is. For example, worms and snakes don't have any legs, and they get along just fine and live quite happily.
So one can lie down and slide about without legs. That's what I like to do.
And I really like jumping. Look!
And I really like running. Like this.
Who is faster?
Ready, get set, and go!
Why aren't you running?
Well, I'm a turtle. I'm not really in a hurry.
Turtles are slow animals, and they never rush anywhere.
Nay!
Why did you say nay?
He said nay because he is a fast horse.
That's right! I'm a very fast horse! Nay!
Oh, then I'm going to be even faster. Like what?
Well, maybe like an ostrich. Ostriches are very big birds with very strong and very long legs, which makes them great runners.
Yes! I'm the fastest one now.
Not really. The fastest runner in the world is a cheetah.
Wait, a cheetah? What's that?
Great! I'll be a cheetah then!
A cheetah is a wild cat who looks like a leopard.
Grrr!
Except a cheetah's legs are longer and its spots are much smaller.
Grrr!
Oh no!
I'll catch you all! Grrr!
You really are very fast.
Speed! It's a very useful thing.
Why is it so useful, huh?
You know, so I can catch up with someone. Grrr! And then we can go and have breakfast together.
Having breakfast together is always a great idea.
I'm already here. And I didn't have to rush.
Number 4.
And 1, and 2, and 3. And 1, and 2, and 3.
And 4.
Oh. Oh.
A cat has 4 paws. A dragonfly has 4 wings.
Oh.
A car has 4 wheels.
Oh.
And a chair has 4
Oh.
legs. Hi! I love it when things are crazy. And I look like a slingshot. Hooray! I love having tons of fun and talking a lot for sure. 1, 2, 3. That's right! I'm number 4!
Huh? Come on, get ready, will ya? Who is hiking along with me?
Oh. Oh, we're really
tired.
We should sit down then.
Uh-huh.
Whoa!
Oh, huh?
Sit on what?
I know what to sit on. Ta-da! What do I look like to you?
A chair.
A chair! If you want, you're welcome to sit down.
Now we'll take it in turns here. That's 1, 2, 3.
And 4!
Thank you, number 4. You're so very kind. I feel great now.
Who is stronger?
Hi there. What are you doing?
I'm moving.
Do you need any help?
My goodness, this is some box.
My toys are in there.
Yeah.
It's going to take somebody stronger.
Whoa! Who did you just turn into?
Well, I read in a book that bulls are very strong.
Oh no. Well, maybe there's somebody stronger?
Of course there is. For example, an elephant. An elephant is much stronger than a bull is. There are Indian elephants and African elephants. And African elephants are actually stronger than Indian elephants.
Oh no. No one can seem to pick up my box. Not even the strongest elephant in the world.
Well then, how about we try a very strong scarab beetle?
Oh, but the scarab beetle is so
He
small.
may be small, but he is also skillful and very capable. Scarab beetles are really strong for their size. So strong that they can pick up a weight 1,000 times bigger than themselves.
Oh, wow. Will you be able to move my box for me?
A scarab beetle is strong because it can pick up something much heavier than itself. But even 1,000 beetles weigh less than this big box of toys.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Why don't you try to move it all together?
Hooray! We're finally moving it! Oh!
Yay.
Number 5.
La 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 la.
Whoa! Oh! Hello there.
Hello.
High five.
What five?
This is a high five.
Ah, high five. Okay.
Ha!
Number 5 is very strong and proud, you know, with his chest out past his nose. But if he wants to make friends, this behavior he must end. Well, I have to go.
And what have you got there?
It's a book. I've read it, so I'm going to get a new one.
Ah, so it's a book. That must be why you're so clever. Well, I'll take a walk with you then.
You're welcome to join me.
Huh?
So, I read this one. Achoo! Or did I read it?
Hey, why don't you bring something clever for me too, so that I can read?
Achoo! Hey, you down there! Help me get down from here. I can't get down. Come on, help me. Come on, please help me. Oh, please help me. Oh, wow. Okay. Thanks so much. Thank you for that. If you learn all of the numbers and you know how to count, then you will get good grades at school and be top of the class, no doubt.
Woof woof.
Hi there.
Woof woof.
Ruff, ruff.
What animal are they?
I think one of them is a doggy.
Woof.
And the other one is probably a fox, because she's orange and she says ruff.
Ruff.
A doggy and a fox are related, so they speak in a very similar way, except the doggy is domesticated. And a fox is wild.
Grrr. Oh, I'm sorry.
Then I guess I'll be a doggy. I love being domesticated.
Wow, you are such a long doggy.
Well, that's because he's a special kind of doggy for crawling into holes. It's called a dachshund. By the way, a dachshund is a hunting doggy, and it happens to hunt foxes. Bless you. Now better take good care of your nose,
Why is that?
because noses are very important for all doggies. They have the keenest sense of smell. With the help of their noses, they can find anything that's lost or hidden away.
kind of doggies are there?
There are big dogs and small dogs, ones with long fur and short fur, cute ones and fierce ones.
Doggies with curly and pretty fur.
Doggies like that are nice and funny.
And sophisticated dogs.
The most important thing is that we are all people's faithful friends.
Number 6.
You're eating another bun? But how many have you had now?
This is the 6th one. Do you want to have a bite?
No way! I am very slim, unlike you.
That's not nice. Well, I'm just very kind. Look, this is the number 6. Nice to meet you. You can call me 6. There are 6 lovely treats. Wow. To share amongst our friends, so our friendship never ends.
It's hot today. Let's go to the river.
Hooray!
We are going on a boat. Come on. I'll be at the front.
Then I will be at the back.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa, move forward. We need to get the balance right.
Oh.
Oh, no! We're sinking!
Oh.
Whoa!
Yep.
We didn't sink, thanks to number 6.
Not me. It was thanks to the 6 buns.
Yes, you were right. You used all the buns to stop us from sinking. Though you wouldn't happen to have another bun, would you? I'm kind of hungry.
Here you go.
Oh.
Who's the biggest?
Oh, wow.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Somebody help get me back down!
I have an idea. I can be someone even bigger.
That's right. The biggest terrestrial animal on land is the African elephant.
Well, maybe I could be someone even taller.
Yes, the giraffe is the tallest animal in the whole world.
Why can't I reach?
But we are the biggest animals.
At least on land. But there is someone even bigger in the ocean. It's called the blue whale. It's the biggest animal in the whole wide world.
I think I have an idea.
Whoa! Hooray! I've been saved by the African elephant, who's the biggest on land, and the blue whale, who's the biggest animal in the whole world.
By the very clever blue whale.
Pass me the ball.
Nuh-uh! I'm the goalie, and I caught the ball. La la la.